Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to attempt mini Yorkshire puddings in this muffin tin. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of oil. That's probably too much. I can work it out in each of these, and I'm going to pop this in the oven to let it start heating up. And then I'm going to make my batter. Just a tiny bit in here. Now, very good, a little bit in each. You might have seen my collaboration with Hailey from Mummy Cooks Homemade, where she gave me the job of cooking Yorkshire pudding for dinner. I'd never heard of it. Sorry, not Yorkshire pudding, but toad in the hole, which I'd never heard of or had before. So now I'm brave enough to attempt mini Yorkshire puddings. I'm going to pop this in the oven to preheat for 20 minutes. And I'm going to use Hailey's recipe that she gave me for Yorkshire pudding. So I have 3 eggs beaten, (168 grams of plain flour), there we go, and then some milk, and between 260 and 280 mils of milk, so I've got 270 here, and then salt and pepper. Just mix up your batter. We're having roast beef today, so that's why I said I'd try the mini Yorkshire puddings. I was really nervous when I was making the toad in the hole. I was really nervous that this was going to flop. And then they only take about 20 minutes to half an hour in the oven. I'm excited now about this. Let's see how they work out. So that's that ready. Now here's my muffin tray out of the oven, and really quickly I'm going to pour in my Yorkshire puddings and get them back into the oven as quick as I can. And then the trick is not to touch the oven for at least the 20 minutes, which I think is what these are going to take. I can keep an eye through the door of the oven anyway. There we go, and back in the oven. And fingers crossed. No, there they are after 25 minutes. They're not flopping. They're nice and golden. Yeah, I think that was a success. What do you think? Let's see how they go with the dinner. Delish. Woo! I'll show you when the dinner is all served up what they look like with the dinner. Thanks a million for watching, everybody. God bless you all. See you in the next video. Bye.